To start the engine, you must have your intelligent key with you. Press the brake pedal, and then push the ignition switch. To stop the engine, place the vehicle into the park position and push the ignition switch to the off position. Pushing the ignition switch once will place the vehicle in the on position. When the ignition switch is pushed a second time, it will change to the off position. When the vehicle is in the park position and the ignition switch is placed from on to off, the vehicle will be placed in the auto ACC position. If the ignition is left in the auto ACC or on position, various systems in the vehicle can discharge the battery and your vehicle may not start. Allow the engine to idle for at least 30 seconds after starting. Do not race the engine while warming it up. Drive at a moderate speed for a short distance, especially in cold weather. During cold weather, allow the engine to run for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes before shutting it off. Starting and stopping the engine over a short period of time may make the vehicle more difficult to start. When leaving the vehicle, make sure that the ignition switch is placed in the lock position and that you take the intelligent key with you. As a precaution, if the driver's door is open while the ignition switch is in the on position, a chime will sound. If the intelligent key battery is discharged and you need to start the engine, first, make sure the vehicle is in park. Then, touch the ignition switch with the intelligent key and a chime will sound. Within 10 seconds of hearing the chime, push the ignition switch while applying the brake pedal and the engine will start. If you do not depress the brake pedal while pushing the ignition switch, the ignition position will change to on. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.